Welcome to Tech Coach, where we share knowledge and practical experience related to data and how we can transform it into meaningful insights. If you are visiting us for the first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. If you have been associated with the channel for a while, you know that we posted content related to SQL, Oracle, Informatica, and data warehousing concepts in the past. A lot of you have shared your joyful moments about benefiting from these videos. When people share that they got a new job or moved to the next role with the help of these videos, it really encourages me to make more content. Also, a lot of you have shared honest and constructive feedback about creating complete series on a topic, tool or technology. Starting 2022, we want to address the same. And this year, we want to help at least 100 people move on to their next role or find their first job. The target is quite aggressive, which is why I need your help. Please share these videos with at least one person who may benefit from it, and please provide honest and constructive feedback as always so that we can improve the content further. Let's start learning today because tomorrow is too late.